Engrossed Substitute Senate Bill 5160 passed the 2019 legislative session, which revises many components of the senior citizen and disabled persons exemption and deferral programs. We would like to take a moment to highlight some of the changes that will go into effect on January 1st, 2020. The changes are revised income thresholds, disabled veteran qualifications, living with a relative for long-term care, residency, and allowing an heir or devisee to continue the deferral. The biggest change revises the income thresholds for the senior citizen and disabled persons exemption and deferral programs. In 1965, the Washington State Constitution was amended to allow property tax relief for retired homeowners. Since the creation of the property tax relief programs until now, the income thresholds have been a fixed amount determined by legislation. These thresholds did not fluctuate from county to county based on the cost of living, household income, or economic standing. The passing of Bill 5160 allows the income thresholds to be determined based on a percentage of the combined median household income for each county. 45, 55, 65, and 75% of the median income will determine the thresholds for the exemption and deferral program. So, what does this mean for Kitsap County homeowners? The Office of Financial Management has determined the combined median household income amounts for each county in Washington State. Kitsap County's median income is $74,729. Therefore, when we apply the 45, 55, 65, and 75 percentages to the median income, we see the income category thresholds for the exemption and deferral programs increase. The increase in the income thresholds can allow more of our Kitsap County homeowners to be able to qualify for property tax relief. Another change expands the qualification for disabled veterans for the exemption program. Currently, a disabled veteran would need a service-connected disability evaluation of 100% to meet the qualification of the exemption program if they did not meet the age criteria. The revision now allows a disabled veteran to have a service-connected disability evaluation of 80% or higher to qualify. One qualification that did not change is that a disabled veteran who is compensated at the 100% rate because they are unemployable due to their service-connected disability could qualify regardless of their evaluation rating. Another change allows applicants to live with a relative for the purpose of long-term care. Currently, the law allowed applicants who were confined to a hospital, nursing home, assisted living facility, or adult family home to not lose their exemption for ceasing to live in their residence. The revision now adds an exemption to continue for the recipient if they are confined to the home of a relative for the purpose of long-term care. A relative is defined as any individual related to the claimant by blood, marriage, or adoption. Another change defines the principal place of residence. The property tax exemption and deferral programs are for the primary residence only. Therefore, applicants were currently required to occupy their primary residence for more than 6 months of the calendar year to qualify. The revision tightens this requirement so that an applicant must occupy their primary residence for more than 9 months of the calendar year to qualify. Another change allows an heir or devisee to continue a deferral. An existing property tax deferral lien is generally payable upon a canceling event. There are circumstances when this deferral lien can be continued when the participant in the deferral program passes away. Currently, the surviving spouse or domestic partner can choose to continue the deferral lien if they are 57 years of age or older, or disabled, and otherwise meet the program requirements. The revised legislation now allows for an heir or devisee to also be eligible if they meet the qualifications. We appreciate your time and thank you for joining us today as we reviewed the upcoming changes to the senior citizen and disabled persons exemption and deferral programs. If you have questions, please contact our office. Thank you and have a great day.